Good day, crypto traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your Elite trader, EliteAyomide, and in today's video I'm going to show you something very important, and that is market manipulation. Your strategy is very good, don't get me wrong, but market manipulation will make you look as if you don't know what you're doing in this place. Market manipulations are just those price movements where the market stops you out and eventually goes in your direction, and you are now worried that, oh my goodness, oh my, why did I enter? Now let me tell you a quick story. Back then in 2023, when I'm still trading as a novice, right, I always buy at support, sell at resistance, because that's the conventional thing that they tell us: buy at support, sell at resistance. But I will tell you, and I will prove to you in this video, that it doesn't always work, because there are some support and resistance where the market is just too obvious, and we, the retail traders and the big banks, we are trading the same chart. We are looking at the same chart, the same BTC USD chart. You are seeing the same BTC USD chart a big firm in Chicago is actually seeing. So when they see all these things, these lines are very obvious, and because these lines are very obvious, they try to buy into the asset. Okay, this is how it works. They have a good chunk of orders to actually fulfill. Market manipulators, the banks. Now, let's say they have a sell order to fulfill, but they are going to sell these markets immediately. They are not going to get at the best price. So what do? They actually buy a little portion of the market. Don't forget, the initial portion was to actually sell this market, but they have to buy so that they can raise the market price to a particular level where they can actually sell at an even higher discount. So that's how it happens. So this always happens at resistance and support. Very easy for you to actually signify and recognize, and I will show you how you can avoid them and things you can actually take. It is avoidable. One of the best things about solving a problem is actually recognizing the problem, and I can tell you for further, by the end of this video, you will never fall into market manipulations again. Your tendency to actually fall into market manipulation reduces to just 1%. When you are subscribed to this channel, you get more information and more education from me. So let's get right into the video. Now see this video, see this chart currently. You can see that this is my support and resistance. This support region has been tested and confirmed many times. You can see respected support, then turn to resistance. Now this support is now resistance. Now at this region, because this resistance has tested 1, 2, 3, 4, shows that this resistance is strong, right? I'm not arguing with that. Now look at this very well. A normal novice trader or a beginner trader, what they will do is they will make their stop loss like this. They will put it here. They will not put their stop loss at this region. They put their stop loss at this region, and obviously their strategy works. Now see what happens. See what happens. They'll put their trade like this above the resistance, because we've been told to sell at resistance and buy at support. So see what happens, guys. Now I've just been stopped out. I will explain why this market manipulation is. Now I've been stopped out, and see what happens. This market start going in my direction, and then you're like, oh wow, this broker is here to take my money. Yes, I'm not saying that brokers are not shady, but it's that time we take responsibilities for our trades. See something, I would have been in full profit if I had not taken the trade like this. And if this is your problem, this is why you need to watch this video to the end to get the full grasp. Now here's the problem. At this region, already the whole market is downtrend. The whole market is selling. But at this region, the big guys, the big firms, what they need to do is they have a chunk of order they wanted to actually sell. But because if they are selling immediately, they are not going to get the best discount price. They need to take, okay, so let's say they have $100 billion, they have $1 billion of orders to actually fulfill. But because if they are selling the market immediately, they will not get it at the best price. So they would, out of that $1 billion, they will take like $200 million out of it to push the market up. They will take it to push the market up. So when they push the market up, that's why you are now seeing that the market broke that's why you're seeing that the market broke the trend line, the market broke the resistance, and then you think, oh, at that time the market, maybe you are thinking of already set your stop, or you're selling and your stop loss. Market hit your stop loss. There are a lot of stop loss at this region. That is very obvious. There's stop loss here. There's stop loss here. There's stop loss here. There's stop loss here. You can see. There's another stop loss here. Many stop loss. You can see the stop loss here. So these stop loss are very obvious. So now that the stop loss are at an obvious region and obvious level, the best thing for them to do is to do what? So actually take those stop loss on, so that their trade can actually move. Now you can see that after this stop loss was trading, you can see these two red bearish candlesticks showing that the sellers have gotten back into the market. This is just manipulation. So manipulation can be prevented through things. Now you discover the problem. Now let me show you another one. let me show you another one before I show you the solution. So this is BTC USDT. So let me go to the daily time frame. So obviously this is the daily time frame, and looking at this very well, okay, let me draw the support from this weekly time frame for you to know that it's very, very clear. So this is it here, right here. Yeah, this is it right here. This is it right here. So this is it. This is this region, right? So let's go to the 1 day. Now, at this region now, at this 1 day region now, at this 1 day region, let me draw the result. I can see another resistance at the region here. So this is another resistance region. So the best thing is, now let's see what another newbie trader will do. Let's play this trade. Another newbie trader will have, okay, since the market has respected the support 1, respected the support 2, they will try and place a buy order down. They will try and place a buy order down like this. They will place a buy order down. They will place it to this region. They place it to this region. See what happens. Oh, now see something here. There is a support here. They support here. They have been respected. Meaning that people are buying here. If other people are buying here, most stop losses will be here. Stop losses will be here. Stop losses will be here. So the same way stop losses are here, the same way big banks are looking forward to actually take those stop losses so that they can now have better prices of buying or selling. So the newbie trader will put their stop loss here, and let's see how it goes. See something. See what just happened. No matter even if I put my stop loss here, I'm still stopped out. That is manipulation. So manipulation occurs at obvious region of stop losses. Very, very easy. That's why they occur at obvious region of stop losses. They occur there. So now that you've now discovered the problem and how you can fish out the problem, your question is now, okay, EliteAyomide, how can we now prevent it? Please make sure you watch this video to the end, and of course you need to subscribe so you can get the other part. Now in case of this, the best way is to buy off the bounce of a support or resistance. Again, the best way is to buy off the bounce of a support or resistance. Buy off their bounce. Buy off their bounce. That is, whenever the market bounce off it, buy off it. Buy off their bounce. Now let me show you. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. So here we so let's proceed with this trade. See the same region I'm using. Let's proceed with this trade. Now the market has bounced. The market has now bounced off this support. This is a big bounce off. So bounce off is just, okay, the market comes like this, comes to this support, then bounce it off like this. So at this region, you can now buy. But if you are buying on that support region, exactly, it will work. But by the time you get stopped out, it will take out all the previous profits you've been making. So at this region, let's see how this goes. So let's now say I take a buy here. Let me do it for you. Then apart from that, you're waiting for a bounce off it. You're also waiting for bullish engulfing candlestick. So I wait for a bounce off this region. The market must give me, because my previous video on crypto strategy, you would know how I trade. I'll put a similarity here, so you can actually a link to the video description, so you can actually get the video best crypto strategy. So let's see how this goes. So I wait for the market to break this region. To break it. When it breaks that region, it shows that it has bounced off the support. And second, it also gives me a new trend confirmation. You can see lower low, lower high, higher low. So when immediately I make a higher high, I'm doing what? I'm buying. But if I don't make a higher high, I'm not buying. I'm not buying. Maybe if you don't make a higher, I'm not buying. So the market is still ranging within that range. So again, the market has given me a bounce. Let me try and enter from this region. Let me enter from this region. And I can put my stop loss. I can put my take profit here with my stop loss here. Stop loss below this. So give me a 1 to 5 weeks to reward ratio. Or give me a 1 to 3. Yeah, 1 to 3 weeks to reward ratio is fine. So I'll enter this trade. Now you can see what happened. I was able to profit on this trade because I traded off the. So one of the best ways to actually prevent yourself from getting manipulated on the market is to buy off the banks of support and resistance. But buying on the support and resistance will actually cause you to lose because there are stop losses above, there are stop losses above, there are stop losses above. So this is a simple way to actually recognize market manipulation and trade off them. So market manipulation is just big banks trying to push the market to a particular level so they can fill up their large orders and then trade in their real intended direction, and it can happen too. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for sticking through, and stay blessed.